Hi everyone, Tim here. Welcome to the video. So in this video I want to show you how you can protect your contact form from getting spams, and I want to show you a really easy method that you can implement really quickly into your website, into your contact forms. So everybody knows this. I think if you build a website and if you are using the contact forms, then you will get, after a time, you get a ton of spam messages from bots and everything like that. And in this video I want to show you a really quick method, like I said. So of course, if you have a WordPress website, then you can use Recaptcha. But the downside of this, it is it can be very expensive if you have a lot of contact form submissions, and then it can get really expensive, and also it is a little bit more complicated to install and set up. So this is why I don't use this on my contact forms, because I have a few websites, and if I set it up and install it on every website, it can get really expensive. And then I want to show you a different method, a more simpler method. But of course, Recaptcha, of course, is the most secure, but also the most expensive way to protect your website from getting spammed. So, and then now I want to show you a really, really easy way to protect your website. So we can use the quiz feature of Contact Form 7. So this means when, for example, here is a website of mine. So this is a German website, because I'm from Germany and I build most German website, but also English websites. And here this is a new website of mine, or client of mine. And this website hasn't any spam protection yet. So this website is receiving a lot of spam from different bots, and here you can put in your name, your email, your phone number, your subject, and your message, and then you can click on send, and then the message will automatically get sent. And now we want to improve this. So everything what we have to do is go to our WordPress backend, and then you find the forms, and here you have all your forms in Contact Form 7. So this is a German installation, but it's the same if you have an English or Spanish or French or whatever website. So you simply go to your forms, and then you find all your active forms. So for example, this form 1 is this form, what currently active here. And then I will go to edit this form, press on edit, and here you can see now what's inside this form. Here you can see the input for the text, the input for the email, and here you can see the submit button. And now what we can do is we can grab something like this quiz here, for example. What's the capital of England? And then there's a box where they have to input the capital of England, or you can what the color of a strawberry or something like this, and here you write the correct answer. Or you can make a mathematical quiz. For example, here you can see the math quiz 1 + 1, or you can change it to 10 + 10 or 10 + 12 or something like this, and here you can specify the correct answer. For this example, let's use the math quiz. So I will simply copy this, and I will put both quizzes in the video description down below, so you can simply copy this and input in your website or in your forms. Go to the video description, there you will find both quizzes. So let me copy this, let me go to my contact form, and then I will put this quiz right before the submit button. I will input it here. Quiz math is 1 + 1, and the correct answer to this quiz is 2. Then I will click on save. So now this quiz is updated. Then let me go back to my website here. Then let me refresh this. And now you can see we have the quiz here. And then when I put in a name, for example, or I don't know, at gmail.com, and a random phone number, and here random message, blah, and then let's put in for example, a wrong answer. So let's put in 3 and then click on send. And here you can see the answer to the quiz is incorrect. So we have an error here. And we have to put in the correct answer to be able to send this form. And I think this is a really good, easy protection for bot messages, because bots don't know what this is. So most bots don't know how to answer this. And I think it's even more secure if you put in a real quiz. If you ask them something, then it's getting even harder for the bots to solve this problem here, to solve this quiz. You can completely customize this, and also you can completely customize the math. The math quiz here. You can minus, divide, and all mathematical inputs. And so that's it for the video. And like I said, I will put in these both quizzes in the video description. Check it out. So you can simply copy it and paste it into your Contact Form 7 contact forms, and then you are protected against bot messages. So, and that's it for the video. So if you like the video, then I would be happy if you press the thumbs up button, and also I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because with a subscription you help small creators like me to get motivated and all the good stuff. So then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.